Hi, I'm Julie Lynn and welcome back to my channel. Today, Mai and I are going to do
key lime pie.
And how many ingredients does it take? 4 ingredients, and do we have to bake it?
No.
No, so this is my busy day key lime pie. Let's get cooking.
For this recipe, you will need Cool Whip, graham cracker ready crust, limes, and condensed milk.
This is perfect for a last minute dessert. You just have to let it set in the refrigerator for a couple hours, but other than that, it takes 5 minutes to make. All right, you ready? Okay, Mylin, can you please pour the condensed milk? Fine. Slowly pour the condensed milk into here. Perfect. Okay. So after you take the condensed milk, you're gonna take a ½ cup of lime juice. Now, if you don't have time to squeeze out the lime, this is perfect, okay?
I'll just squeeze out the lime.
Why don't you pour that in there for me? Slowly. Good job, Mylin. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Okay. Now this is basically it. We're gonna slowly mix this. And once it starts to thicken, we're gonna pour it into this pre-made graham cracker pie crust and then put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. If you don't have 4 hours, it's okay, but 4 hours will ensure that it's really nice and set. Okay, ready? Now, you stir it. I'll hold. This is also a great activity to do with your kids because 1, it's easy, and 2, it's not messy. Perfect. So it's
liquid.
Kind of
Liquid.
thickened, and then we're going to pour it in. No, but thanks for asking. Ready? See if Mr. Patrick can get that. And that is the key lime pie. 4 ingredients, no baking required. There you go. Okay, now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Okay, please be careful. Okay, let's go. Mr. Patrick's gonna have to fast forward this part, huh? Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, so we've put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours now. And the filling is nice and hard, or nice and thick. And Mylin's gonna do one, and I'm gonna do one. Okay, Mylin's gonna do hers with Cool Whip, which is one way to do it. Okay, hey. Nobody's gonna wanna eat your food if they see you do that. You're gonna nicely spread this, okay? And just nicely spread it.
Keep on with your work, girl.
I am, thank you. If you don't want to do it with Cool Whip, you can just do it with Ready Whip.
Huh? Those have flowers.
Now, I just want to give you one quick note. You want to use Cool Whip if you're going to take it to a party because you want it to set in the refrigerator for about an hour before you cut it, and that way you'll have a nice stiff piece. If you decide to use Ready Whip, which I think is pretty, you can't use it until right before you're about to serve it, because if you do, look, we did this about 2 minutes ago and it's already started to melt. Okay, ready?
Yeah. The big head.
Perfect.
Yum.
And then I'm gonna do a little, take a thin piece of lime and cut it, and then you can place it.
I don't like it. I don't like that. I don't like
But it's just for decoration. Oh. Okay, you want me to put it on mine? But now we've ruined the flower. Okay, here we go.
I don't put strawberries on mine.
Okay, we don't have any strawberries. Ready?
How about blueberry?
Okay, there we go.
Giant, giant, bigger, bigger, bigger. Yay.
And there we have Busy Day key lime pie. Mylan's and
I
Mommy's.
want to touch it.
No, you can't touch it.
Mommy,
You can't touch it.
come.
And there you have it, my Busy Day key lime pie. Please don't forget to like and
Subscribe for my mommy's channel and my channel. Bye.
don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.